from LabVIEW programming. In this video, I will show you how can we use the variant to solve any problem. So you will learn to use a variant in this video. So let's start. Come into your LabVIEW. Okay. Now here I will create one table, string array table, name, user name, and I will put some username. Okay, it is string array. I will put some name here like NITESH, NI, India, TI, India. Okay, NI India, TI India, NIT, RAIPUR Raipur, NIT, sorry, IIT, PUR Raipur, IIT, Triple IT, Raipur. Okay, NIT, Patna, Tech, March, Google, Co, Google, Co. Okay, so these are in this database. Okay, username. I can put some more name also. Co, like IIT Raipur, Delhi, variant, variant. So this is my database. Okay, now you can see here IIT Raipur and this one IIT Raipur, both are okay. Google Co variant, variant. Okay, these are repeating. So I will use variant concept to eliminate this. So for that, right click here and take a for loop. Right click, come to the string, sorry, cluster and variant, pin in here. There is a variant. I think this is a variant constant. So take this variant constant and place here and take inside. I will use one function here and the function is string to upper cases. Let's see it will perform polymorphic logic or not. Yes, it's performing because it can accept array and individual string. So insert now. No need to connect the n because we are connecting here an array. So n will take the array size, array size, okay, for the number of iteration. Now we will take set array variant attributes. We will take this function set array variable. Now value and name I will connect here first, then I will connect second one with this. Look at here, the first one connect like this and the second one connect like this. Now the set variant function is here, connect, take output here just to set the connections. right click, replace with shift register, and replace it also as shift register. So after that, what we can do, after that we have one get variant attributes. Okay, we can connect this error, right click, tunnel mode, last value. Now we can drag it down. Okay, no need to drag down, I don't want to finish. After that, right click, create indicator, name. Okay, but it is username, username output. So what is the name of this function? It is a get variant attributes, right? Set variant attributes and get variant attributes. Okay, for the error we can use this error constant. If any kind of error will occur, we can use the merge error function also. Now let's go into the front panel. Control T. This is our main code. We can reduce the size and we can increase the. Now let's take these functions here. Close the disk. Now run. After that we can run. Now you will see it will replace. Okay, everything is set. So let's see what is the problem here. Delhi, Nitesh, this is Google को, and I India, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 2 3 4. IIT Raipur. Okay, so there is some spelling mistakes, so let's solve this spelling. Google को, now run, so it will eliminate that Google को. Now you can see it will eliminate. Okay, now you can see it will eliminate your okay, if any name is repetitive here, if your any name is present two times, okay, so it will eliminate that name. Okay, and also it will arrange in the alphabetical order: D, Z, I, then N, N, then T, then V. Okay, it will arrange all those things in the alphabetical order, and it will eliminate if any name or any characters are repeated. So thank you for watching this video. If you like, so please comment and share. If you don't like, so also comment and dislike. So thank you.